It's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our double header of Bold Review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max and annual anime Bold Review only on Harriet. So, first review for today is yun sa Viva Max, BMX, so Fridays with BMX, and we are going to be reviewing Pinya. This is a movie starring Candy Veloso and Angelica Hart, and uh, looking forward uh, looking forward to this review kasi medyo basic in title pero medyo masustansya. Okay, so first of all, we need to establish the facts around here. Pinya is directed by Ramon Perez. He's known for Hugas, diba? Taya, siya rin yung yun. And I think this is the first time I see Angelica Hart in ages. Kaya di ba also lagi nandyan siya. So, let's see. What would be the verdict for Pinya? So, Pinya is pineapples. Akala ko nga ito ay remake ng Patikim ng Pinya, which was a 90s bold movie. Pero hindi pala. It's actually a portmanteau or combination of two names. Si Pinley, I don't know what kind of name is that. Parang sapilitan eh. Let me just, teka lang ah. Teka lang ah. How many people in the world is named Pinley? Wala. Okay, it's a made-up name. It's a made-up name. Okay, si Pinley ay Pin for short. Tapos ito si Angelica Hart, si Mariah or Aya for short. So, Pinya, di ba? Pinya. Okay. So, magkaklase itong si Mariah sa si Pinley since childhood. Tapos, nagsimula ang pelikula to sa isang bar na kung parang tingin natin, nagkita sila for ages. Actually, 10 years according to the movie. And the movie tells the road bakit nagkahiwalay ang dalawang magkaibigan na to. And a plot twist that will consume them for life. Furthermore, yung kanilang reunion segs is a Lesbian Lex, which involves nipple sucking and oiling up. So, those are very rare instance na naggano ng Viva Max. So, yeah. Let me just pause for a quick while. Let me be right back. Furthermore, yeah. So, yeah, I took a little break, a piss break. Ayan, so we got an oil up, Candy Veloso, we got some shower, some nipple sucking, kaya, yeah, first moment pa lang ng pelikula to. Did I mention this is only 1 hour, so it already sets up the tempo. Okay, we go to the past. Magkakilala si Pin, saka si Aya. Una, magkaibigan sila, and they have this half New Zealander, half Filipina named Ate Fled, who is a CAT officer. At nakita ni Pin na nakita ni Aya kasi babalik niya yung tickler niya. Naiwan ni Ate Fled yung tickler niya, basta nakita ni Aya. So sorry na sana sa CAT office. Nakipagtalik si Fled sa kanyang senior CAT officer. And this is like Aya's first exposure sa segs. Okay. And especially lesbian Lex. Okay? And as the friendship blossom, nagkakaroon sila ng feeling sa isa't isa. Especially during the prom night. So, it happened na may crush sila sa isa't isa, and then they strip off. Pero hindi sila nagtalik. Okay? Hindi sila nagtalik. And furthermore, throughout the movie, may challenges yung dalawa. Because itong si Pin, yeah, she's not really into naman to the laman. Yung masasabi ko doon, Hindi siya bisexual. Ay, hindi siya straight up mahilig sa babae. She is kind of what bisexual in her orientation, and that's all right. At natukso siya sa boyfriend ng kanyang ate na si Stacy. Staku, yeah. Nangyari ito kasi natatnan niya yung nanay niya, may yung first sexual encounter niya, natatnan niya yung nanay niya, nagkikipagtalik sa driver. And then, nung natutulog siya, bigla siyang nilundagan ni McCoy, yung boyfriend ng kanyang ate. And her sister hold a grudge on that, na sinasabing malandi itong si Pin. So, another challenge dito, alam ni Fled yung secret ni Aya, kaya pinuntahan niya to sa bahay, and they have Sesbian Lex. So the secret kasi is, isasabi ko, is really really deep. Okay? That could impact the future. Later, nag-decide itong dalawa na ito, manood ng Viva Max or ng Bold, and they decide to do it. So they did the Boku no Pico route. Kasi sa Boku no Pico, doon nagsimula yung kabaklaan ni Pico eh. Okay? Doon parang ang tawag doon, nakita nila yung ate nung kaibigan ni Pico na pinaglalaroan yung sarili niya. Okay? To the point na arouse si Pico sa kaibigan niya, and they did those nasty things sa Boku no Pico. Di natin re-review yung Boku no Pico, okay? That's literally child porn. Okay? Child pornography yun. Okay, so continuing, nagtalik sila. At ang nangyari sa pagtatalik is nahuli sila ng... teka lang, okay na. Nadatnan sila nung magulang ni Pin na nagtatalik, and na grounded tuloy si Pin, tapos na banned from the household itong si Aya. And to the point na aalis si Aya, napilitan umalis si Pin, pumunta si Aya sa pamamahay, and they failed to say goodbye. And we fast forward 10 years later, nag-meet si Aya sa si Pin, they have Sesbian Lex, really satisfying until we figure out what is. There is identical twins. Identical twin ni Mariah, si Shania, at alam nito ni Ate Fled, who fled to the United States, pero okay na yun. So, nag-i-swap time sa eskwelahan ito si Mariah sa si Shania, and the Mariah side is the one doing the romance kay Pin. This is hinted earlier in the movie kasi parang meron mood swings minsan si Aya, na minsan masaya, minsan masungit, and it's because they're of the two persons. Okay? So, ang nangyari kay Mariah is after umalis nila Pin doon sa pamamahay, hinuli si Aya at ginapos doon sa mansyon, and she is left there to die. Yun. So, fear and hunger. Yun nangyari. And ang na-meet up ni Pin in the future, 10 years after, si Shania, which is the one who doesn't love Pin. Walang feelings kay Pin. And the secret is out, and ang akala natin na tatlo ay dalawa sila magkakaibigan na nagkaibigan, ay tatlo talaga. Yung identical twins, ang hirap sana sinijay na lang nila si Angelica Hart. Kasi nangyari, pag nakaharap si Angelica as Mariah, nakatalikod yung Shania, and vice versa. And nagmukha tuloy obvious na ibang actress yung gumaganap ng kambal. Well, siguro walang budget for a CGI, pero nagawa nila yun sa kay Claudine Barreto, but dito hindi. Diba? Kay Claudine Barreto 1995 yun, di ba? Tapos nagawa nila. Wala pa kaya dito. Ayun. Julian Richards. She's a better Frankie Russell. Like totally. Much much obliged Frankie Russell. Whatever Frankie does, whatever Frankie does, whatever Frankie does to their previous movies, Julian Richards did it much better. I don't know why Isaiah 6022 is in her Instagram, pero sige. Okay, let me just adjust this really quick. I'll just complete this item. Yan. Okay. Ba't ganun may ano? Okay. So, yeah, that's it for Pinya. Wala siyang kinalaman sa pineapple. It's just a parang anagram ng name. Diba? And what I like about Pinya is hindi siya normal na normal na na adult movie. What I think about Pinya is it is ano yun? Your realism is yung hindi na expect ng expectations, okay? Expectations natin something, maraming kangkangan dito. It's gratuitous, but it's good gratuitous, di ba? And I think that's what's best for the business, you know? Okay, so what are we gonna give Mariah tuloy? How are we treating Mariah so far and Shania? Well, honestly, I could give it a very high rating. Wala pang playtime to. So, let me just give okay, that's my Discord, sorry. Let me just give the movie Pinya, I want to say a smash. Medyo mabata-bata pa to. But I would give it a very high rating. Nasatisfy ako sa mga eksena. Very smooth out. And ano po na ko yung editing eh. Ewan ko, di naman ako si Goldwyn na can't symbol yung so I'm just gonna give it more fun stuff. I think it's an alright movie and sets up at least yung debuting star na si Julian Richards. She did very, very, very well. Okay, that's it. See you later for Mangkitsu Happening Review. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. Goodbye and good night. Bye.